Load your family into the 2020 Ford Escape. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include front fog lights, a trip computer, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.